Find the integral of 5 root x minus 2 over x to the 4 dx. Well, when you got a question like this, first of all, you need to rewrite these. So this will be 5x to the half, and this will be minus 2x to the minus 4, using the rules of indices. So you do need to know your rules of indices. Okay, so that will be integrating 5x to the 3 over 2. Then when we divide by 3 over 2, it's the same as multiplying by 2 over 3. And this would be minus 2x to the minus 3. Don't forget, when you add 1 to minus 4, it becomes minus 3. Divided by minus 3, that's 2x to the minus 3 over minus 3. And then don't forget the constant integration. 2/3 times 5 gives me 10 over 3. The 2 here means take the square root of x, and the 3 means cube it. And then the minus will make a plus, and we're going to have 2/3, but we're going to have 2 over 3, but the x to the minus 3 means it becomes 2 over 3x cubed plus c. So this has been a video to help you show you how to find an integral where we have to use fractional and negative indices. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.